next step. Moving right along, aren't we? Okay, so the next step is that torso. So I need to bring it on out, and we are going to, well actually let's put the supports in so we don't have to wait on that portion. So remember, it's on a cardboard, the torso underneath. So we need to stop that from digging into this cake because this isn't going to do it. So we're just going to take some dowels, and I'll just mark it with my thumb here. And pop those in. One more and we will be ready. Hold on to both pieces so it doesn't fly across the room. I'm using a PVC pipe cutter because it's so easy to clip right through those. Now we can move it off to the side and we can work on the body. So what I want to do is I want to bring it out, smooth it a little bit more, and then I'm actually going to go ahead and attach it before I cover it because we just kind of need it on there to know where we need to cover, make sure the base is covered. All right, so I'm using this tool that I got at a art supply store. It's like a clay, I think it's just for clay, but it's nice because it bends. It's a little stronger than the acetate that I usually use, so for going around something like this, it works out great. Because a lot of times when I do this part with the acetate, I might tear the acetate. I do have it here though, just in case I need to use it. And I will need to add a little bit more buttercream. So just slap some on the lid here. And I'll turn it so hopefully you can see there. And this is just going to fill in the holes. This was in the freezer. Get rid of that part and then bring it up and then see how smooth that can be. Like, no, we really can't because you're at the side. How about now? There you go. And put a little extra on the sides. Fill all that goodness in. Back, you're not going to see much of that. Okay, now since that doesn't quite, well, actually I think I am going to start with it. I was going to say I might go to the acetate. Okay, so acetate here, just for the corners, the sides. And voila! Move this off to the side. And we will go ahead and first I just want to find that opening at the top, somewhere around here, just so it doesn't totally crack all the buttercream when it comes up, like that. Funny. Okay, so let me lift it off this board. Remember, it's on a smaller board. I guess I may as well take that out. It's coming out anyway. Over the top. Hopefully that's in the middle. Okay. All right, there we go. Got to keep watching that because I keep pressing on it. Okay, let me clean some of this up and we'll be back.